Yeah, I'm trying to think of what it starts in.
It's in B, but it starts on the E, walks down.
We're going to try, this is our first show since we haven't played together, what, about 5 months, 6 months? So this is our first show back, so we're going to fuck this up probably, okay? But we'll stop and we'll have a laugh and we'll pick it back up and straighten it out, okay? If we don't screw up, we'll just keep going.
What song are we doing?
Lazy Monday.
It's not in B.
What key is it in?
It's not in B. That you're thinking of
Younger Face.
no, and the Just Can't Wait is also in that one. It's
Yeah.
It's 2. It's Capo 2.
Capo 2?
Yeah, I think so.
No, I think
Thank you.
I haven't got a goddamn brain in my head, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank God. I was like, oh shit, I've never played this song. Let's do it. We'll start on the 4.
C, it's right after 4.